Welcome to Awesome Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to convert a color image into grayscale using Python's CV2 module. So first we need to install CV2 and we are going to open a terminal and we are going to type in pip install OpenCV Python and just hit enter. So done with the installation. Now we can use in our code. First we need to import CV2 as CV. And then we are going to read our image cv.im read that image read, and you need to pass in the name of your image file. So for us right now it's in the same folder where my code is. And first we are going to show the original image. cv.image show. This will be original, and we are going to pass in our image, and then we are going to do cv dot wait key five. The wait key indicates how long we expect the display window to be open. If a key is pressed before the display time is over, the window will be destroyed or closed. And now we are going to convert image to gray. So we are going to do cv.cvt color and pass in our image and set the image to be gray color. So that will be cv.color. BGR to gray. And now we are going to show grayed out image. So this will be our image 2 cv dot image show. That will be this will be our gray image, and then set wait key. And we are going to save the image after displaying it. So this would be cv dot image right gray dot jpg file, and we are going to pass in our gray image. And now we can run our script. And I just added the complete path to the image file and change the weight key. And now we are going to run our code. This is uppercase in weight key. So let's run the code and check that. Here is the original image, and here is the grayscale image. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Asyncode. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.